Hello aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel PCM by SKPK. Today's topic is limit. So limit at a point x is equals to 8. So limit fx, that is x tends to a. So the formula is limit x tends to a plus fx is equals to limit fx where x tends to a minus is equals to finite. So that's the formula when so अगर ये prove हो जाता है then we say limit x tends to a fx exist. Okay, so write an example समझते हैं like limit x where limit x tends to 3. So write an जो limit है हमारा that is limit x tends to 3 plus where the value of box x is 3 and for left hand limit the value of x tends to 3 minus limit is 2. So that is not left hand limit is not is equals to right hand limit, so definitely limit doesn't exist. For example number 2, लिमिट x where x tends to 2.5. सो यहाँ पर राइट हैंड एंड लेफ्ट हैंड दोनों लिमिट 2 हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स राइट हैंड लिमिट इज इक्वल्स टू लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट. दैट मीन्स लिमिट एक्सिस्ट एंड द बॉक्स ऑफ लिमिट जो बॉक्स x है उसका वैल्यू है 2. So next intermediate form. So what is intermediate form? There are total 7 intermediate forms givens. So what is this? First is 0 by 0, second infinity by infinity, third infinity to infinity, 4 0 into infinity, 5 1 to the power infinity, 6 infinity to the power 0 and 7 0 to the power 0. Next some notes in the indeterminate form 0 and 1 are not exact. In fact both are approaching to their corresponding values. Okay, that's note. And number 2, that is we cannot plot on the paper infinity. It is a symbol and not a number. It does not obey the laws of elementary algebra. Okay, so infinity plus infinity tends to infinity, infinity cross infinity tends to infinity, infinity to the power infinity tends to infinity and 0 to the power infinity tends to 0. Okay, some standard limits. Okay, trigonometric limits जो है first that is limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equals to limit x tends to 0, x by sin x is equals to limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x is equals to limit x tends to 0, x by sin inverse x is equals to 1. So complete ये सब का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 1. It's equal. Next number 2, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equals to limit x tends to 0, x by tan x is equals to limit x tends to 0 is equal tan inverse x by x is equals to limit x tends to 0, x by tan inverse है. So इसका भी वैल्यू हो जाएगा 1 complete for all limits. Next number 3, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square is equals to 1 by 2. So that's the formula of trigonometric limits. Next exponential limits, that is first thing, that's limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equals to 1. Next limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x is equals to ln a. Okay, next logarithm limits. So for that case limit x tends to 0, ln 1 plus x by x is equals to 1. For algebraic limits, limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equals to n dot a to the power n minus 1. So basically today I will discuss about all limits, formulas, concepts and notes. So definitely in for further videos definitely जो PYQs भी मैं discussion करूँगी. Next ये भी note है एक like limit is L is equals to limit x tends to infinity where a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 that's like for one time that is a n. Okay, next by b0 x to the power m that's like 1 2 and plus dot 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 plus b to the power bm. Okay, so here talking xn common form numerator and x to the power m. So x to the power n जो है numerator है a common form of numerator and x to the power m जो है that is a common form of denominator. So next that is L is equals to limit x tends to infinity x to the power n by x to the power m, a0 plus a1 by x dot 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 an by x to the power n. Next by b0 plus b1 by x plus dot 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 plus bm by x to the power m. So here m, if m is equals to n then L is equals to a0 by b0. Okay, so note case 1. For case 1 there are 3 cases. Okay, when degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, so that's n less than m. Okay, next then h is equals to 0 always since at least 1x will remain present in denominator. Next case 2, when degree of numerator is equals to degree of denominator, that is n is equals to m, then L is equals to A0 by B0. For case 3, when degree of numerator lesser than degree of denominator, that is n lesser than m, then L tends to infinity always, since at least one x will remain present in numerator. Next, solving limits using L'Hospital's rules. So firstly, that's the condition. What's ये note कर लेना. L'Hospital rules is only valid for 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity indeterminate forms. Okay. So what the formulas? If fx and gx are functions of x such that limit x tends to a, fx is equals to 0 is equals to limit x tends to a gx, or limit x tends to a fx, that is tends to infinity, and limit x tends to a gx EF tends to infinity. Number 2, that is both fx and gx are differentiable at x is equals to a, then according to L'Hospital's rule, limit x tends to a fx by gx is equals to limit x tends to a f dash x by g dash x is equals to limit x tends to a f double dash x by g double dash x dot 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 is equals to जो डॉट indeterminate जो फॉर्म है. नेक्स्ट कुछ फॉर्मूलेज है, लाइक लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू 0, 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स बाई एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू साइन एक्स बाई 2x इज इक्वल्स टू कॉस एक्स बाई 2, दैट इज 1 बाई 2. नेक्स्ट लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू 0, 10x माइनस एक्स बाई एक्स क्यूब is equals to sec square x by minus 1 by 3x square is equals to 10 square x by 3x square is equals to 1 by 3. Answer. Next, it is limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equals to e to the power x minus 0 by 1, that is e to the power 0 equal to 1. Next, number 4, limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equals to e to the power x ln a minus 0 by 1, that is e to the power 0 ln a, that is ln a. Next, solving limits using series expansion. Okay, for e to the power x is equals to 1 plus x ln a by 1. So e to the power x is equal to 1 plus x ln a by 1 factorial plus x square ln square a by 2 factorial plus dot 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 a, जो a है that is greater than 0. Next, e to the power x is equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. For ln 1 plus x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to the power 4 by 4 plus dot 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 f that is minus 1 2, जो x का वैल्यू है ये minus 1 से ग्रेटर है एंड 1 से लेजर या इक्वल. Next, sin x is equals to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial minus x to the power 7 by 7 factorial plus dot dot. For cos x is equals to 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power 4 by 4 factorial minus x to the power 6 by 6 factorial plus dot dot. For tan x plus x cube by 3 plus 2x to the power 5 by 15 plus dot dot. Okay, so there's another theorem, that is sandwich theorem. If fx lesser equals to gx, lesser equals to hx, so for all x in the neighborhood of at x is equals to a and limit fx is equals to L is equals to limit x to the power a x tends to a hx, then according to sandwich theorem the limit x tends to a gx is equals to L. Okay, so we say that the function gx is sandwiched between the function fx and hx. Thank you for watching this video. This completely covered of limits. So next day definitely session के लिए stay tuned and updated and follow my YouTube channel PCM by SKPK.